If you want to hide photos on your iPhone, you simply do this. So firstly, if you go to your photo album and you click on a photo like this, then you click this menu icon, you see these options. So there's copy, duplicate, and hide. We want this hide option. So if you say hide like this, it will ask you if you surely want to hide. And if you do want to hide this photo, just click on hide photo like this, and it will now be hidden from your original photos. Now to see your hidden photos, you go to collections, and in collections, you see these options here. So if you scroll down, you see options like this under utilities. You see hidden, recently deleted. You see duplicates, etc. So there are a lot of options there. The option we want is hidden. It will obviously ask you if you want to view for your Face ID. Then once I put my Face ID or passcode, you'll see that hidden photo there. So if you want to unhide your photo, you just click on it again and you say unhide. And once you say unhide like this, to be gone from the hidden photos, and you go back to your library and you find it again in photos. Now let's say you want to hide the hidden album itself from collections in photos. You simply do this. You go to your settings. This is on iOS 27. You go to apps. On 26, I think it's the same. Then you scroll down, you look for photos, the app. There it is. Click on it. Then under photos, you go down to albums, app settings there. Click on it. You find this setting hidden album. You just toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, if you go back here, you'll see the hidden album is now gone. So no one can actually see the hidden album here. To just put it back, you just toggle it on again, and then the hidden album will come back like that. So this is how you can hide photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. By the way, we are now at 11,000 subscribers. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you tell someone to tell someone.